فواجههم بيقولوا تعاون الجهاد الإسلامي.
إنه من عندنا هذا؟
شكله من عندنا.
The Israeli military has released audio of what is said to be a call between Hamas officials that it claims is proof Israel was not to blame for the deadly bombing of a Gaza hospital. After the strike occurred, Hamas, a U.S.-designated terrorist group, and the governing body of Gaza quickly said at least 500 people were killed and immediately blamed Israel. However, the Israel Defense Forces strongly pushed back on the accusation and said the incident was the result of an errant strike from a separate terrorist group in Gaza, the Palestinian Islamic Jihad. The IDF released an intercepted call, which the organization said was between two Hamas operatives, in which they can be heard discussing the claim that the strike was actually a failed PIJ rocket launched from a cemetery behind the hospital.